If you are wondering if OPPO Reno 15 Pro supports power sharing, then the answer is partially yes. Unfortunately, OPPO Reno 15 Pro does not support wireless power sharing or wireless reverse charging, but the wired method works. So if you have a USB cable, you can connect your OPPO Reno 15 Pro to another device that can be charged with a USB cable. So let's say I'm going to connect it to the smartphone. And as you can see, we are charging without issues. But there is a chance that if you, for example, try to charge another smartphone, your OPPO will be charged instead. So in that case, you want to go to notifications, find the notification about charging, tap on it, and then make sure that reverse charging is selected over here. Of course, you are not limited to smartphones. You can pretty much charge anything that can be charged with USB cable. This can be, let's say, Bluetooth device as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.